What is up, guys? So today is the 17th and I did not plan to do this video here in my garage. I meant to do this on my lunch break at work, so that way you guys could like kind of see some of the stuff that I do carry with me every day. As most of you guys know, I am a CDL truck driver. I just do local P&D route, but in my truck I typically have a hammer, I have a crowbar, I have my whittling set. I usually have some blocks of wood for the whittling set. If I'm working on a big project and I got a lot of little pieces, like when I made signs for places and stuff like that, I'll take the letters with me and I'll sand them because I have a lot of downtime in my day. I back into a factory or something in Romeoville. I might sit there for 20-30 minutes before they're done, so I'll just open the door and sand some and try to utilize the best of my time. So as far as everyday carry stuff goes, typically it's like I said, it's the crowbar, it's the hammer. That's just in case I see like a good pallet that I want to pull some of the boards off. I can do it right there without having to bring the entire pallet. As far as anything else goes, I mean, I tinker around with the whittling set, but I'm not good enough to even. I can't even do like the little 3-minute face yet. I've been working on it though. So that'll wrap it up for today, guys. I will see you tomorrow. We will be back here and we will have a new topic. So get to work.